Here's the situation. We brought it up, and this came off of this nipple right here. So we got to replace these brackets, and my man's going to do it. So check this out. This is a bigger nipple, and that's what's on the end of there. And this is all brand new.
We're gonna put it on here. Replace it with this. I know it looks smaller, but
That's okay.
it's
brand new.
Yeah.
Dang
This
it.
is worn out, and it's practically the same thing. It's just shorter.
Yeah.
So it'll go right here and hold on to the new rollers.
Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna just set the door right on that, and then we're gonna do it from on the ground.
Yes.
Okay. So what do? We just pull her down.
Yep. Which is gonna be very tricky.
Oh, there we go. That made you okay?
Yep.
Jeez, oh, Pete. Holy shizzle. That was crazy.
Needed
Dude,
to be done.
that was good, man. I couldn't believe you did that. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're gonna put the, all right, so what we're doing is locking down the shaft, right? And then do you have to take the tension out of the springs to do this?
Yeah. I do.
Oh boy.
I need 2 of those.
Wow.
That is
Oh, now you gotta loosen it, right?
yes.
Oh boy. So after we got the springs all ready to go, we found out that we had to fix some brackets. And now we gotta loosen the spring. So he's bringing it down. Oh wow, look at that. That wasn't too bad. That was pretty easy. I was thinking that thing was gonna go.
As long as you're doing it right, you shouldn't have any issues. And plus, the only reason why it didn't go boom is because your cables aren't attached.
Ah.
So the tube is spinning freely at the moment.
Oh, that's fine. Okay.
I just put those up as safety measures, so if I missed anything, it doesn't spin out.
Okay, yeah. So the last thing you want is that steel spike in your chest.
Straight trip to the ER.
Oh my gosh. Like a vampire. Boom, right through the heart. And it just spins. Bam, done. All right, so that's loose. Now we can go ahead and do the,
The adjustments on the bottom.
yeah. All right. So we're pulling this one off by unscrewing it. It just comes right off. And at the same time, he's got the whatchamacallit off of there too.
Yeah, the roller.
No, I think he's got it off. Yeah, you can almost slide it off the bottom, can't you?
Yeah, it's just I don't want to damage the
There you go.
rubber.
Yeah. All right, so that's the old roller and the old piece. This is a new piece here. So he's putting the roller in it first. And you can notice the system, he kind of like bends it, gets the one edge in, and then it comes down. And then we just got to find the right spot for it to be screwed in. And so give you a bird's eye view of that. Okay. Loosen this track a little bit. And we can get that edge on there. Oh man, so close. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're cooking with grease. Damn, got it in there. That was a pain in the ass.
Some new screws.
Yeah, we're gonna get some new screws. Give you a better look at this. So that's what we had to do right there. You see that? Okay. Here he comes. He's coming back. Now we're gonna bring the line down and hook it to that nipple. And pop those off, otherwise you can't pull the line down. So yeah, a lot of stuff's going on here. Alright, so there we go. Yeah. Just gotta get enough to get down there 7 feet. We gotta go behind all those tracks. Sliding it down. Sliding her down. Good. What's going on there? What happened?
Better to start all over
Yeah, might as well.
than to
Really?
try to take a shortcut and do it all over again.
Yeah.
And it's better that way. I get to see my tension.
Going behind each one of those little
Release.
Now the key thing is you got to get it on that nip. The nipple. The new nipple. So these are really made for those, though, right? Got her up.
Yes, sir. Okay. Gotta get it above that. Boom.
Did you get him?
We're back in business.
Uh-oh. Nuts. Okay, we're looking good on the bottom. All right. Now, do we put those bolts back in the door, or
Which ones?
no track bolts? Or do we leave? Yeah. Oh, shit. Still on there? Oh yeah. All right, so now,
Do the same on the other side.
do we need more light over here?
Oh no.
Like that.
This one should be easy. Come on.
It's just caught on the little piece of wood there. There you go, you got it. Done.
The bracket would not come off.
So this is the old one. And that was the nipple. You see that little nipple down there? Yeah. Now we got to feed that down through there again. This is the old one. We'll set it over here. Take a look at that later. Oh, we got to put it back inside the thing, yeah?
Well, I have to take that side off completely anyway because you have to start from the left.
Oh, okay, that's right, yeah. And you're putting it right on the nipple to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got to get our thing. So just so you guys can see, that's where he's putting it, right on that nipple, and then it's going to go on there after he puts this, what do you call that again? The roller.
The roller.
Yeah, see, he slips the roller in. And now he can get it right in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Almost there. Man, so, oh, got it. Damn it. That's the way to do it. All right, now we're good. What do you think? Did the hacksaw that? I think that's gonna.
Oh, it's not on it.
It'll be off the ground.
No, I thought it was like rubbing on this piece.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not.
It's just under it.
Yeah.
All right, we're looking good.
Indeed, we are.
Okay. You do the tension first,
We do the left, then we go to the right.
and then we go right. Okay. Okay. Cool.
No problem. Okay. I need this.
I need those.
And
Dude, I'm still thinking about the weight of that door coming down. It's like, oh my god.
yeah, it was pretty heavy.
Oh my god, it was 500 pounds.
It was. The thing about me is that I don't think about the weight sometimes,
It's because you're Superman,
so I can.
the Man of Steel.
I wish.
All right, so now we're doing the exact same thing we did before, and he's going counterclockwise with it, and then you gotta tighten her down, or. Get her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so you check it by like your G string, right?
Yeah.
That sounds like a G string to me. All right. It's Prince and the Revolution in garage repair. All right, so this is where we got to get the, gotta loosen it first. And then we got to put the thingamabob in it. I mean, it's like we did this job twice.
Yeah.
We haven't even put the things in yet. But I must say, it's enjoyable spending the afternoon with you. We'll have to do this every day.
What? We can.
I just got to come to your job. Oh man. You want me to get those locks to? Or you got it?
No, I got it.
Okay. Now we got.
No fear. Prince is here.
That's it. That's your motto. All right, let's do it. It's gonna be a long video. 2 hours. We did the garage 5 times.
Yeah, that's gonna be a good story for. We have these meetings every Wednesday.
Uh huh.
It's gonna be a good story for tomorrow.
Yeah, and you tell them, hey, this is what I encountered, and what I'm a problem solver. That's my middle name, problem solver.
And I met the coolest customer. Gotta add that in there.
Yeah, for sure. All right, how we doing? Oh. So you're trying to get good tension on it, and then
Yeah. So
get
it doesn't slip anymore. Now that we got the right nipple on there.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely hard to, you don't have a lot of room to work in there. Nice.
Well, I know
Okay.
what I'm doing after this.
Getting a drink of water.